Hola, food enthusiasts! Today, join me in a flavorful journey through the diverse and vibrant world of Mexican dishes. Get ready to embark on a spicy adventure. Recipe 1. Guacamole and homemade tortilla chips. Our culinary journey kicks off with a classic: guacamole and homemade tortilla chips. Gather these ingredients: ripe avocados, tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, lime, garlic, corn tortillas, olive oil, salt. Let's dive into the art of making fresh guacamole and crispy tortilla chips. Cooking instructions for guacamole and homemade tortilla chips. Mash ripe avocados and mix with diced tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, minced garlic, and lime juice. Season with salt to taste. Set aside the guacamole. Cut corn tortillas into triangles, brush with olive oil, and bake until crispy. Serve the guacamole with the homemade tortilla chips. Recipe 2. Chicken enchiladas with red sauce. Next up, let's savor the flavors of chicken enchiladas with red sauce. Gather these ingredients: shredded chicken, corn tortillas, red enchilada sauce, Monterey Jack cheese, red onion, sour cream, cilantro. Prepare for a comforting and cheesy delight. Cooking instructions for chicken enchiladas with red sauce. Dip corn tortillas in red enchilada sauce and fill with shredded chicken, red onion, and cheese. Roll and place in a baking dish. Cover with more sauce and cheese. Bake until bubbly and golden. Garnish with sour cream and fresh cilantro. Recipe 3. Street corn, elote. Let's take our taste buds to the streets of Mexico with the iconic street corn, or elote. Gather these ingredients: corn on the cob, mayonnaise, cotija cheese, chili powder, lime. Prepare for a corny and flavorful experience. Cooking instructions for street corn, elote. Grill or boil corn until cooked. Brush with mayonnaise, sprinkle with crumbled cotija cheese, chili powder, and a squeeze of lime. Serve hot and enjoy this savory street snack. Recipe 4. Beef barbacoa tacos. Let's spice things up with beef barbacoa tacos. Gather these ingredients: beef chuck roast, chipotle peppers in adobo, garlic, cumin, oregano, lime, corn tortillas, onion, cilantro. Prepare for a flavorful taco fiesta. Cooking instructions for beef barbacoa tacos. Blend chipotle peppers, garlic, cumin, oregano, and lime juice to create a marinade. Rub the marinade over beef chuck roast and slow cook until tender. Shred the beef and serve in corn tortillas with diced onion and cilantro. Recipe 5. Churros with chocolate sauce. Our culinary journey concludes with a sweet treat: churros with chocolate sauce. Gather these ingredients: all-purpose flour, water, butter, sugar, salt, eggs, cinnamon sugar, dark chocolate, heavy cream. Prepare for a crispy and indulgent dessert. Cooking instructions for churros with chocolate sauce. Boil water, butter, sugar, and salt. Stir in flour until a dough forms. Add eggs and mix until smooth. Pipe the dough and fry until golden brown. Coat in cinnamon sugar and prepare a simple chocolate sauce by melting dark chocolate with heavy cream. Dip and enjoy these irresistible churros. And there you have it: 5 delicious Mexican dishes to bring the flavors of Mexico to your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an adventurous home cook, these recipes offer a delightful range of flavors to explore. If you enjoyed this culinary fiesta of crafting Mexican delights with me today, stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking inspirations. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the vibrant flavors of Sabor Mexicano.